Hello children, today we will discuss about a month and days. Already we have studied the table. A year has 12 months. However, all months do not have the same number of days. Some months has 30 days and some months have 31, and February has 28 days. When the year is leap year, February has 29 days. That means the number of days in the months are varying. But in our maths, when we calculate for counting the number of days in a month or number of days in a year, we have to use one month has 30. The average is we are taking 30 days we are taking. Okay, but we have to study which month has 30 days and which month has 39 days. Just look at here. For the here we are going to discuss one year has 12 months, and in that 12 months how many days has 30 days and how many days has 31 days. Okay, just look at here. The first month, refer a calendar, fill in the blanks. The month has 30 days. Which of the month? April, June, September and November. The month has 31 days is January, March, May, July, August, October and December. February has 28 days, so it is not belongs to these two sections. There is a shortcut for you. I will show you. You can look at your hand. We are counting easily. We can find out which year has 30 days and which year has 31. The top we can count it as 31, and the below part you can count it as 30. Look at it. January 31 days, February, March, April, May, June, July, and from you have to count from that point also. July, the same point is August, September, October, November, December. That means the months which come in the top has 31 days, and which month has come in between in the whole, that they are known as has 30 days. That's the shortcut we are finding the number of days in a year. Okay, here is a fill in the blank section. That means you can do it only after studying how to change the month and year. Okay, we will discuss later. This second exercise we will discuss later. Now we'll look at here AM and PM. Always when we are saying time, we are adding AM or PM. What is AM and what is PM? AM means it is a Latin word, ante-meridian, and PM means post-meridian. Okay, ante-meridian means before midday and post-meridian means after midday. Okay, that means from 12 midnight to 12 noon we will say the time. 8 AM, 7 PM, 9 PM, just like we will add AM with it. From 12 noon to midnight 12 we will add PM. Okay, in normal time when we saying that, we will use this AM and PM. We can say that this the picture shows the shortcut. Okay, look at here. Vinod woke up at 6 in the morning. How will you say the time is 6 AM? Vinod goes to bed at 8 in the night. That means 8 PM. Now discuss what is century. This word you have already many times you have heard, I think. 100 years are counted as century. That means the first century in the period of time from 1 common era to 100 common era, and 1901 to 2000 was 20th century. The 2001 to 2100 is the 21st century. That means we are living in 21st century. So now 2021 is our year. That means we are living in 21st century. And also one more point you have to remember, 10th century makes 1 millennium. Okay, 10th century makes 1 millennium. And here is an exercise about century. Which period of time does 16th century belongs to? That means 1501 to 1600 is known as 16th century. Then what will be the period of time in 24th century? That is 24th century means 2301 to 2400 will be the 24th century. Next is to which century these years belongs. Looking at the year, you have to find if they are belongs to which century. 378, that means 4th century. 1341, that means 14th century, that means since at 1400, so it is 14th century. Then 1575, that means this year, this period of 100 year will become end at 1600, that means 16th century. And 1497, it belongs to 25th century. Just like you can do the remaining also. This 2600, it will be belongs to 26th century. Okay. Next, in which century did India get independent? That means India get independent in 1947. That means that belongs to 1901 to 2000. That means we are in 20th century we got independence. Okay. In which century was our late Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi born? The birth year of Indira Gandhi is 1917 to 1984. She died. So she was assassinated. That means she is lived in the century of 20th century. In which year did India become a republic? That means 1950 India got republic. In which year will its century be celebrated? That means 2050 we can celebrate our century of India got republic. Okay. A millennium means 1000 years. That means 10 century. 10 century means 10 into 100. That is 1 millennium. That is 1000 years. How many century makes 1 millennium? That is 10 century makes 1 millennium. Okay. Okay children, today we will wind up our class. Have to study thoroughly, because we are already in the last class we have studied about common era and before common era, then come to leap year section. Now we have studied century. Okay, study well. Then next we have to go to 24-hour clock. That means railway timetable and airways are using this timetable. So we have discussed that will be discussed in the next class. Okay, thank you.